In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Steam guides on Steam. Whether you're looking to share your gaming expertise, walkthroughs, or unique strategies, Steam guides are a great way to contribute to the gaming community and connect with other players. We'll be taking you through this straightforward process in just a few minutes. First, open up your Steam application. This is your go-to portal for all things Steam, from your library and store access to community hubs like guides. Once your app is open, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in already, click on the login button. It's a simple process. Just enter your account name and password, and then click on the sign in button. Once signed in, you'll land on your Steam homepage. From here, navigate to your library. This is where all of your games are listed. Choose the game for which you'd like to create a guide. Once you have your game selected, you'll see a section labelled Guides. Click on that. It's where you'll find both existing guides and the option to create a new one. Now click on Create Guide. This option allows you to start from scratch, outlining strategies, tips, or whatever you wish to share with the community. Start by adding a title for your guide. Make sure it's catchy and descriptive so that others immediately get a sense of what your guide covers. Next, choose a branding image. This image will represent your guide visually, so pick something relevant or eye-catching. This visual aspect can play a big role in attracting readers to your guide. After you've set the image, it's time to add a description. This is your chance to provide an overview of what your guide is about. Be precise and informative to lure in potential readers. Now, select a category from the options provided. This might include walkthroughs, strategies, crafting guides, or whatever best fits the content of your guide. Setting the appropriate category will help others find your guide more easily. Don't forget to check the rights and ownership checkbox. This is a crucial step to acknowledge that your guide complies with Steam's content policies and guidelines. Once everything looks good, click Save and Continue. This will save your guide and make it available to the Steam community. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Steam guide that can now be a resource for players all over the world. Thanks for joining me today, and happy gaming. Be sure to experiment with different types of guides and see what works best for your audience. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experiences.